In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your own music or sound effects in Premiere Rush. Imagine you're working on a video project and you want to give it that extra pop with some dynamic music or engaging sound effects. Well, Premiere Rush makes this process straightforward and user-friendly, whether you're on a desktop or mobile device. Let's dive into it. The first step is positioning the playhead exactly where you want the audio to start on your timeline. This is important because it determines the precise moment your chosen audio will kick in during your video sequence. Once you've got your playhead set, the next thing you need to do is locate the Add Media option. If you're using the desktop version, you'll find this as a plus icon, and on mobile, it appears as a blue plus button. This will give you access to import new materials into your project. Next, upon clicking the Add icon, you'll be shown various media types you can choose from. You'll want to select Media, then Audio to import a file directly from your device or cloud storage. If you're using a mobile device, this might be labeled a bit differently, something like Your Media, then Audio. This step is crucial because it lets you bring in specific tracks or sound effects that you've either created or sourced from a library. Now it's time to browse and select your desired audio file. Whether it's a catchy music track or a snappy sound effect, simply navigate through your files and make a selection. If you're on a desktop, you also have the added advantage of browsing through built-in soundtracks or loops provided by Premiere Rush, a handy tool if you're looking for something fast and professional without much hassle. Once you've chosen your file, click Add. This will place your audio clip onto a new audio track on the timeline, where it becomes part of your project structure. You'll notice that the audio now sits neatly in line with your existing video content. This is a great spot to make any preliminary checks that the file has imported correctly and is positioned as intended. The final step involves some fine-tuning. Click on your audio clip in the timeline and open the audio panel. Here, you'll find various options to refine your audio, such as adjusting the volume for balance, setting the clip type to ensure it syncs well with your content, and enabling auto-duck if you want the background audio to lower whenever dialogue pops up. You can even go further by trimming unwanted sections, splitting to create multiple pieces, or moving the audio clip around to better align with your visual elements. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can boost your video's impact with personalized audio enhancements, giving your audience that captivating sound they'll appreciate. Thanks for watching, and happy editing with Premiere Rush.